I'm going to show you how to create a Jamboard, which is basically an interactive whiteboard where you can add text, images, sticky notes, and even use a laser. First, log into your Google Drive. Then scroll down until you find Jamboard. Next, click this plus icon to create a new Jamboard. You can look at the background colors here and choose a background that you would like. You can add text by clicking here, then click where you would like the text located, and then start typing your text. For example, list different ways we can stay organized. You can center the text right here. You can change the color of the text. You can make it larger or smaller. I'm going to have more text located on the right side. How can we organize information to teach others? I would like to add an image right here. So I'm going to click on Add Image, then go to Google Image Search, then type in organized. Then search. And then you can see all of these pictures that go with organization. If you would like an animated image, you can type .gif, then press this search icon, and then you can look through the images here. Let's look at this one right here. This closet organization makes me happy, so I'm going to keep this image. Next, we can type the instructions below the image. So I put instructions, add a sticky note, answer the questions, and type your name. I will show you how to add a sticky note. So we'll go over here to this icon where it says sticky note, click right there, and then type your response and name. Here's an example. Use a planner, use a calendar, and stick to a system. Then the student name is right there. You can also change the color of the sticky notes. Press save. And then the student can answer the question over here. How can we organize information to teach others? Let's click on the sticky note again. You can change the color, keep the color, then answer the question. Here's an example. Organize by time or topic, and then the student would put his or her name. And then press cancel unless you want to create another sticky note. And then that's it. Now you can share your Jamboard. Make sure that you change link to Northside ISD. And you need to change this as well, because if the students are just viewers, they are not able to contribute to the Jamboard. So click Viewer, change it to Editor, and now anyone in this group with this link can edit. Click Done, and you're done. Make sure to title your Jamboard. That's okay. You will probably only want to use one Jamboard per class. So you can create another Jamboard on the next frame, the same exact way, and maybe you can add first period as the title, second period for this title, and third period, so on and so forth. Or you can make a copy of this Jamboard and label it first period, second period, third period, and so on and so forth. I will show you the instructions how to make a copy of this Jamboard for another class. So click right here, make a copy, and then you can title it First Period 2020, and click OK. And it will be saved into either your drive or whichever file you'd like to place it in. Press OK. So now you have to make sure to open up the sharing settings for this period, change link to Northside ISD, then make sure you change from viewer to editor. And now you can go to share and then click on copy link and share that link with your students in Schoology. I hope that you and your students will enjoy using Jamboard as a way to spark class discussions.